Hello YouTube family, this is Ravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with today a very new episode of our new series, and here we are going to use UI Builder from scratch till advanced. So if you are new to this channel, do share and subscribe and let's get started. And thank you so much guys for 16K family. This is the new series which will be coming up. Even the book which I have launched, the book is already in the market. When I say market, it's not the live market like Amazon or Flipkart, but it is on Google Drive which you can purchase and it is going for a charity. Second point is UI Builder is also going to come there as a notes, which I will be showing you some glimpse of it today, how it look like. Maybe because I am not getting the number of the book ISBN number, but that's okay. So let's get started and we are going to read today UI Builder. This is a very important topic nowadays in ServiceNow because almost we people are working or we will be working on generally workspaces and service portals. So service portal series will also be coming this year. UI Builder is right now, so it will take close to maybe 20 classes. Not sure. Let's see how it goes. But this is outside your ITSM. If you know ITSM, then you land up to this playlist. I will be creating a playlist and I will be putting the details over there. So this UI Builder, we are going to build from scratch, from zero. So introduction, I'm going to give you about UI Builder. So basically this PPT, I'm not a PPT guy, guys. Really, I'm not a PPT. I'm a full-on hands-on. This PPT is generated by ChatGPT and other AI tools. I combined it and I generated very quick. Within 5 minutes, you can also do that. If you want, I can show you this, how you can generate multiple PPTs in seconds. Just ping in the comment section about the video. I can bring that video for you. Now, the intro is, what is UI Builder? Basically, this place, I'll come back and I have written just a glimpse for you. This will be gonna be book very soon. This is not a book. It's just a Word file, but the book will be coming up very soon. Basically, using UI Builder, you can build workspaces where agent can interact. So it's the advanced tool design for creating modern user interface. Like you have a mobile interface, you have a Android, iOS. These tools are different interfaces. Similarly, we are going to create a new interface on ServiceNow platform. So we will design our own workspace going further classes, and you don't require much coding experience here. I would like to say only 1% here where we will be using. And what I will be using, I will be telling you. So basically in general term, if you ask me what is UI Builder, so UI Builder is allowing you to create multiple workspaces, service portal based on the modern user interface application. So we are on the Now Learning platform, ServiceNow, and on ServiceNow platform, I will be showing you what exactly UI Builder is and where you can find out all this UI Builder. You can see it's a tool, UI Builder, inside ServiceNow platform to build or design a modern user interface. As simple as that. And you can create multiple workspaces. And these are the table of content, guys, which I will be using. So intro, creating workspace, event mapping, key components. So like this, there are multiple table of content, which I will be teaching you very soon. So whenever I am teaching, I'm keeping this here. So this is what we are going to teach you today, how this workspaces look like using UI Builder and what is UI Builder and how to design from scratch. So let's get started. And to start with UI Builder, you should have a ServiceNow portal access, UI Builder access, which I will be teaching you. You should have a platform, ServiceNow platform. It could be in latest release, it could not be in latest release, doesn't matter. In latest release, few things are changed. In older releases, we need to write a script, but here we don't need to write a script for many things in UI Builder. You will notice by default on ServiceNow, we have this option called Workspaces. If I click on Workspaces, see, there are multiple workspaces. For example, if I go ahead and click on SOW, Service Operations, so it will open me a workspace. See how it look like? This is out of the box. This I have not designed, ServiceNow has designed. So like this only, we can build our own custom workspace where whatever I need, I can build it. For example, hello system is coming. How this hello system is coming? If able tutor will log in, his name will be coming up. These are the cards, how these cards are being placed. These are list of records, how these things are coming. So all this we are going to build from scratch in UI Builder. So what is UI Builder? A tool that will allow us to create a modern user interface. And we can build our service portal workspaces using this UI Builder. So let's get started. To start with UI Builder, I would like to show you a short glimpse of PPT, what I created. So see, overview. So UI Builder is a low code, no code platform inside a ServiceNow platform. And here you can build a modern and responsive user interface. It could be portal, it could be workspaces. And what are the roles required for UI Builder? You will get to know. So we have various components. We have to have a role of admin and we have to role of canvas admin, and multiple rules are also there, which I will be showing you. So you can integrate with the Now experience. So this UI Builder, workspaces and service portal using UI Builder is part of Now experience framework. So we use Now experience framework, guys, in UI Builder. This one, Now experience. This will be there. I will show you where you can find out. And here only we can manage his pages, securities and other things. So yes, UI Builder is integrated with your Now experience and there are multiple features involved, guys. I am not a PPT guy. I will be showing you from scratch what are the features we are going to build, drag and drop interfaces. So we can drag and drop our components. We can pre-build the components. All this we are going to see. So I'm not going to invest much time on PPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this PPT link in the chat once the UI Builder session is completed, and then you can go ahead and download this PPT from the link. So let's get started. I will go back to our ServiceNow. We'll click on this. And here the first thing first you have to write down is UI Builder. UI Builder is Now experience framework, as I mentioned, guys. So this is there. Under this only you will find UI Builder. So make it as a favorite. Click on done and let's open it. So this is gonna be open into a ServiceNow platform install we call as a UI home. And here only we will see what kind of a experience we are going to build. So guys, there are multiple experiences which we can build. Portals, even your workspaces and much more. Pages also, see here, experiences. There are out of the box, few videos are giving up. You can use this video as a tutorials given by ServiceNow, but my videos are enough as I believe. So let's click on the top right create option, and once you click on create, they will ask you two options what you are going to build. So I am going to build a UI Builder experience for workspaces. So click on experience. Now see, an experience is a web interface. Yes, it is a web UI design that lives at a specific URL. That's true. When you have a web design, you have a specific address URL. Similarly, we have a workspace. They have their own specific URL, guys. This is our path. The URL path will be changing, whatever the path I will be giving here. And you can see the role, canvas user. This role is required. And what is this role? So only user with these assigned role can access the experience. No one else can access. Obviously, I am an admin, then I can access it. If you are not an admin, then you cannot access. But if you have a canvas user role, then yes, you can access this experience. So I am going to build a new platform for our ServiceNow, and this will be, let's say, incident workspace. You can design anything, guys. And you can notice URL path is changing accordingly. Incident-workspace. Whatever you do, it will change here. But we have one important point called app cell user interface. So what is this? Click on I. This app cell is a wrapper of the page component, which is similar to the functionality of a web page. Yes. So when you design a web page in HTML, you have a wrapper classes like div tag, bold tag, and other things. Similarly, we have to choose our app cell. What we are going to choose, ServiceNow will suggest you 4 or 5, but I am going to choose only workspace because we are going to use workspace. If I am going to use breadcrumb, which is nothing but the filter part, you can use that. Headers, you can use that. Portal, you can use that. But right now, my focus is to build a workspace using UI Builder. So we are going to choose Workspace App Cell. And the landing page you can see is a home. So by default, the landing page will be home. And if you wish, you can change this name to anything else. Home 123 or XYZ or incident home, something. As per your requirement, guys, you can change this accordingly. I hope this part is clear. So first step is we have to build our app space. You can say experience. And under this experience, guys, we have to choose our name so that the URL will change accordingly. And whatever the app cell you are building, you can use Workspace App Cell. And once you are done with this, you will notice the landing page will always be home page. So you can change it as per your requirement, as per your concern. So click on create now. And now see your experience has been created. Now click on open experience. Now see, we are on the incident workspace. And let me just check which version of ServiceNow I'm using here. Just a second. So we can check via stats.do. It is Yokohama, so I am on the latest version. Okay. You can also check stats.do. Perfect. Now you can see incident workspace is created and we have a URL path, incident workspace, app cell is workspace, and right now by default is canvas role. You can add extra roles as well, which we can do it. And we have a setting on the top right called view experience setting, which we will be seeing in the upcoming videos. Now, we have to add pages, guys, over here to start with our workspace, because workspace is a primary, it's like a widget to you. It's like a placeholder where you will put different pages. You have to create a page, and inside the page, you can add your component. So when you click on create page, ServiceNow will suggest you template, guys. There are a lot of templates that ServiceNow suggests you, which we will see in the upcoming videos. You can use standard record, maps, a lot of things are there. But my point is I have to create from zero, scratch. Okay. So you can choose any one of it, which I will be doing it in the future. You can click on use template, but no, I'm going to create a new page. And now it is nothing but it is taking you to a page where they're asking you set up page details. So yes, I'm going to set up my page details and I can put any page name, my choice. So for example, the first page I'm going to choose is incident home page. And you can see URL path is changing accordingly. Correct? Now, once you're done with this, click on continue. You will notice here we need a URL parameters. Right now, as this is the first page, so we are not going to pass the parameter. This parameter as the same way like we did in the glide Ajax guys. We create a variable and we use that variable in the letter stages, correct? In sysparam name, if you remember. And via that, we pass the value of client script. So, and one more thing I wanted to show you. For example, let me go to the incident. For example, click on create. You can see the parameters. These are the parameters. Very active too. So this parameter we can use at the later stages of time. So any report if you choose, for example, click on all. And if I go ahead and if I open this also, we have a parameter, guys, on the top. See, these parameters we can add it. So there are two types of parameters, required and optional. You will see in the upcoming videos. Right now, everything looks good. Let me keep it as a default and click on continue. And they're asking you two options. Would you like to build your page access breakpoint like desktop, tablet, and mobile phones? There are two options, responsive, without responsive. Guys, we have to choose responsive. I want responsive UI, not unresponsive. We have to go with the first one, ideally, but you can go without this also. I'm going with the first one, but if you are on the old version like Xanadu, then you will not see this option. It will directly click on create. It will directly create the stuff. So now see, it is created. Now I'm not going to use the begin tool. Yeah, that's okay. Now see, this is your workspace coming up over here. Incident workspace. And this is my first page. If you notice, this is the same page. So if I make it unpin and if I go back and refresh it, Let's wait. Okay, it's taking time. No, it's service now, guys. Now see, it is not showing up. Perfect. So now if you notice, on the left hand side, we have a content. On the right hand side, we have a page configuration. It means that page configuration we can do. We can style the page and we can add multiple events, which we will do in the upcoming part, which I will be showing you for sure. Now just see here on the top. On the top, this is our first page of our service now, which is your home page, this one. And it is same ditto it is showing here. On the left side, we have a content. Content has two part by default. One is overlay and second one is body. Overlay is nothing but here you can create a dialog boxes. Confirm, alert, iframe, view, port, all this will come back to it very soon. I am going to choose body is this body. See? And by default, you have plus sign here and we have a plus sign here. Let me zoom it little bit. Add content. Yes, we can add a content. If you click on this, this is opening. See? You can add single column, two columns, side panel, left side panel, right side panel. You have 3 columns, 6 columns, up to 6 column is the max. Same like your portal. If you go to portal, you can add up to 6 widget at a time, 6 container at a time. You can go and check. It is there. Over here also. So you can choose single, double. As of now, I'm choosing the single. And once I choose single, guys, see, here a single column layout is selected and it is coming up over here. Okay. And again, we have a plus sign. So first you add a layout to your UI builder, then you can add a component to it. And what are components? Like for example, buttons, link, and you can say references. You can say this, a lot of things are there, components. See, action bar, animations, audio player, the component will flow as shown. Like this component will be added. You can see there are a lot of components exist in nature when you choose UI builder. Your wish. You can choose any component as per your requirement. Components are nothing but, for example, if you go to google.com, suppose if I click on Google search, this is a UI button, correct? So this is a page. On this page, we have a UI button and search. So we can call them as a search component and search button. Correct? Obviously. See, got my point? These are buttons, these are things. So these are components. And out of this component, you can choose any component as per your requirement. As of now, I am going to choose a basic component, which is nothing but text. So you can choose. Just type your text. So we have multiple text, rich text, stylized text, text to link, messages. So let me choose any random text here. So for example, I'm adding stylized text and see it is added. And you can see the page is open for you. So you can cancel it. And inside the stylized text, you can notice it is written, let's workflow it. The text is coming from here. So here I can mention, hello, welcome to UI Builder. Done. Click outside, say hello, welcome to UI Builder. Now, this is, if you click on edit, you are here. But suppose I wanted to have it bold, underline, italic, I cannot do it. So what I have to do is, I have to delete this component which is added. Let's say I'm deleting it. And the first component which I'm going to use is your, again, text, but rich text. Rich text, you know. Rich text means you can edit in the form of HTML. See, the world works with ServiceNow. Yes, right now, everyone is working with ServiceNow. So, hello, welcome to ServiceNow UI Builder. Control A, make it bold, and let's make it in the middle, and let's make it little bit big. Okay, let's make it bold and apply. There you go. Hello, welcome to UI Builder, and click on save, guys. So now this is saved. Perfect. Let me increase the size. This is super less. Yeah. Save. Perfect. So ideally what will happen? If I go to the first page and if I refresh it, ideally under workspace, my workspace name called incident workspace should be displayed. Let's go and check. No, not at all. Incident workspace is not showing up. Then what to do? We have assets, CMDB, discovery, process, service of mapping, and SOW. What about my workspace? So guys, workspace does not come alone like this. So once you create a workspace, that's fine, but you have to call that workspace on the first page. Obviously, we have to do something here. So we are going to use, as I mentioned, if you remember, if you type UI Builder, you will notice you have to go to Now Experience. Just type Now Experience. And under Now Experience Framework, you will see the first word called Experience. Please make it favorite. And this is going to be super useful going further classes. Go to the Experience here on the top. And here we are going to add our UX application. Let me add a filter saying that created on today. Created. Run. And you can notice this is the one which I have created today. Correct? Let's open it. And once you open it, so now you will let it loaded. You will notice the title is Workspace. And let me change this name to 2025. Okay, let me save it. Okay. Now you can notice we remember over the first part we have used Workspace absent. Same thing is there. We have certain properties here. We have to create one property, guys. And you know what is the property name? I don't know. How to create a property? We don't know it. So we have to create a property. Click on this, new. I'm so sorry. So your property will see UX application category M2M. This is your property. Which property we are going to use further? I'll show you how it is. Right now we have only header and footer. We have an application category M2M. Here you will map it, guys. This is a place where we will map it. So if I click on new, you can see experience category. Where are you going to map? Click on this. What you want? Portal or workspace? My part is workspace because right now we are doing a workspace, not portal. You can choose the order as 100, 200, 300 or leave blank as it is and click on submit. Now see, this incident workspace 2025 will be available under the experience category, which is on the first page here. So here it will be start displaying once I refresh it. I refreshed and everything is perfect. Click on this and let's wait for a few seconds. Let it load it. There you go, incident workspace. Until and unless we will not create under this category, then not gonna work. So choose your workspace wisely. And now let's come back. Workspace, click on incident workspace. It shows page not found. But now we have our workspace available. But why it is not found? So first of all, let's make it guys favorite so that I will remember it forever. And here page is not found, but I have created one page for incident workspace. Under that we have created this page, demo page, home page. Correct? So now we have to do something. Correct? This page is also has to be linked to our experience. So we'll go back to the incident workspace and over on the top right, view experience setting, scroll down. You have this option called, okay, there's an option called landing path. What I want landing path. So I clicked on the experience setting. So my 25 landing path is my home page. The one which I need right now. This is my home page, landing page. I'll come back to other things guys very soon. In the next video, role is canvas user. Now click on save. So we have created a home page and I'm adding it to the landing path. Now if I refresh, now there you go. You have hello, welcome to ServiceNow UI Builder. This is the first thing which we did today. And in the next video, which will be in this will be a series, guys. So part 1, part 2, part 3 will be there and will be very soon. Not like that I will be giving a delay. So the next video might come on Tuesday or Monday. So tomorrow is also holiday. So I can create few videos for the entire week and I can schedule it. So this is what we created. So in a nutshell, you can build a UI builder, make sure that you are using landing path as your home page here, and then go back here. We have our default home page, and this is a place where we have created our first layout, and first component we have used is rich text. We have much more, guys, in the upcoming classes. So till then, stay tuned and do give love and support to my video, and don't forget to purchase the ebook. That is gonna be super helpful, guys, and the content, the book will be updated there, and it will be updated. The target it is tomorrow, but if I will not get the ISBN number, then it will be updated next week for sure. So if you have purchased the ITSM book, this book of UI Builder, you will also get it along with that. You don't have to pay extra for it. And thank you so much, guys. Till then, happy Ugadi, happy Navratri, and happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next videos. Thank you.